Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, on Mama Bui's menu, we are making blueberry orange scones. What you see here is orange infused scones. They are deliciously soft on the inside, crispy on the outside, and basting with fresh blueberries. So let's get started. You know Mama Bee doesn't like to waste time. Let's get right into the ingredients. You will need all-purpose flour, salt, sugar, cinnamon powder, baking powder, baking soda, vanilla extract, blueberries, 1 egg, orange juice concentrate, butter, and milk. Now we're gonna work on our dry ingredients. In a large bowl, combine flour, sugar, toss in baking powder, baking soda, and cinnamon. Mix everything together, then set it aside. Now we're gonna move on to wet ingredients. In a medium bowl, add milk along with melted butter. Add in 1 egg. We're gonna also add orange juice concentrate and vanilla extract. Whisk everything together until well combined. Dredge the blueberries with 1 tablespoon of flour from the flour mixture. Then set it aside. Next, we are going to add milk mixture to dry ingredients. Mix lightly until dry ingredients are barely moistened. The mixture will be lumpy. Just like so, guys. Add blueberries. Stir gently just until berries are evenly distributed. Fill greased muffin cups 3/4 full. I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna bake the scones for 20 to 25 minutes, or if you are using frozen berries, bake the scones for 25 to 30 minutes, or until toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. The scones are done. We're gonna let them cool in the pan for 5 minutes, then invert them onto a cooling rack. Please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honeys.